Namaste. Are you a beginner? Do you know anything about pranayama? Yes, it's a healing tool that you have within yourself. The right way to unlock is the video about this practice. Namaste. In this video, you'll be learning about pranayama for beginners. Pranayama is nothing but simple breathing techniques. It's conscious breathing which will help you connect with the breath, improve the lung capacity, the oxygen supply, and bring in focus and clarity to your mind. It's both beneficial physically and mentally. We'll start with the first one, which is called the Dirgha Pranayama or Dirgha breathing, which means abdominal breathing. For this, we take the palms, place it on the abdomen, close the eyes, sit tall. Bring your awareness to your breath. Slowly as you breathe in, start to inflate the belly. As you breathe out, exhale fully and let go the belly, draw in. Repeat. Inhale, inflate the belly. Exhale and relax yourself. Let's do this for a few more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last two. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. As you close your eyes, remain seated. Let go your palms on your legs. Stay here, allowing the breath to come back to its natural pace. It's good to start with abdominal breathing as it relaxes your abdomen, your chest, the ribs, and you'll be ready for the other pranayama practices. The second one here is the right nostril breathing. To do this, you can sit up tall, relax the shoulder, take the left thumb, close the left nostril. Close your eyes. Start to inhale through the right. Exhale through the right nostril. It's a single right nostril breathing. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the right. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Gently bring your left hand down. Allow your body to breathe in naturally. Right nostril breathing activates the sympathetic system in the body. Now let's do the left nostril breathing. This helps with the parasympathetic activity. For this, take your right thumb, close the right nostril. Start to slowly breathe in through the left and breathe out slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last one. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly, drop your right hand down. Gently relax and open your eyes. In the next one, we do Anulom Viloma or Nadi Shodhana Pranayam. This is to balance both parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system within our body. For this, you take a mudra. In your right hand, close the index middle finger. Use the thumb and the ring finger to alternate, starting by closing the right nostril. Inhale through the left, close the left, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right, close, exhale through the left. This is considered as one round when you start and end on your left. We'll do 4 more rounds. Breathe in, close the left, breathe out through the right. Breathe in, close, breathe out through the left. Breathe in, close, breathe out, breathe in, close, breathe out. 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 Slowly rest your palm down, relax your palms. Take a moment. Notice how you feel. Moving on to the last one. Now we're doing Bhramari, where it's a humming sound that we produce as we exhale. It's an excellent practice to cool or calm the nervous system, and it's highly recommended to do it every day before sleeping. For this, there are many ways to keep the hands as hand gestures, but the simplest one is to close the ears by using the thumb and all other fingers resting on the eyes. Please note, do not put any pressure or any effort, just a gentle close. And then this, you have to listen to your own sound and focus on that sound. Let's do it. Take your thumb, close the ears, take all other fingers, rest it on your eyes and close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath through the nose. And as you exhale, breathe out while making a humming sound. Once you're done, gently release your palms. Take a moment. Do not open your eyes immediately. Stay here to observe how you feel. Recall the sound of Makara. Make sure you're aware of the mental state right now. Try to carry it throughout your day, all times. Slowly bring your palms at the heart center. Rub your palms. Produce nice heat and warmth. And place it to your eyes. A few gentle blinks. Releasing your hands, open your eyes, look at your palms, and take your head out. So these pranayama techniques are beneficial for everyone. Everyone can do it, no matter with the age or any health concern. The best time to do it can be early in the morning, just after you wake up, or before going to bed. In this video, we did it only a few times. To see any benefit, please practice this consistently and for a longer duration. Stay tuned for the next video.